Revit provides 3 trim and extend tools to trim or extend one or more elements to a boundary. You can also extend non-parallel elements to form a corner, or trim them to form a corner if they intersect. The relative position of the elements and where you click determines whether an element is trimmed or extended. Trim/extend to corner is the most commonly used tool and joins 2 elements at a projected intersection point. Each element is trimmed or extended as needed to create the corner condition. On the Modify tab of the ribbon, Modify panel, click Trim/extend to corner. Next, identify the elements to join by selecting the side to be retained for each. For example, when these elements are selected, a corner can be produced to either side, depending on which side of the horizontal element is selected. Click Trim/extend single element to trim or extend one element to a boundary defined by another element. Select the reference to use as a boundary first, and then select the element to trim or extend. Again, click the portion of the element that you want to retain. Also note that the boundary must be reselected for each trim or extend action. Finally, click Trim/extend multiple elements to trim or extend multiple elements to the same boundary. Select the boundary first, and then select each item to be trimmed or extended. Alternatively, draw a selection box to choose multiple elements in one action. The parts on the same side as the start of the selection box will be retained. Use the Trim and Extend tools to alter the geometry of elements after they have been placed in your model.